Uh, we are back again. Uh, Today we are going to talk about introduction to CorelDraw and some of the stuff you need to bear in mind. Time will not permit us to do everything, so we're going to do it in series. And today we are talking about the tool panel. Then from there we will talk about the control panel. Then we have the dockers, then we have the color palettes, we have the status and everything. And let me push this thing down a little bit so that you can see exactly what I am trying to say. Okay, now here we have what I would say the status color reservoir. And then I think CorelDRAW itself have its own way of calling its own areas on an interface. Okay, so we will say color dock kind of on the status bar. So down here is called the status. Down here is called the status. You have the status of everything that's going on, where your mouse is, and where your mouse is going to be. And it tells you the colors you've chosen, and it's CMYK, RGB, whatever. Either it's external or the internal field you did. So uh, let's start from file. Go to file. These are the stuff you see in file. So let's start from new. Sorry, we go to new. You could also do Control N, which will give you a new page, sorry, which I know most of us listening or watching this now already have an idea. Okay, the next one we go is from template. We have some drawings or some other artworks that most of the senior men who use CorelDRAW have already come up with, which always comes with the software. So when you say from template, then there was a template behind the scene which you don't see here. So let's go to template. Yeah. So this is what we have in template. Okay. Any of them is editable. If you double click, I just double click and it's loaded. Yippee! Here we go. So I have the template here. This can be a CV. This can be what else? A whole lot of things. But then what comes to mind about this is a curriculum vitae, which you can do that with CorelDRAW. Okay, so let's go back to the file. Uh, so we go to file. So now we know what new from template means. And when we go to the next one, which is open, open is trying to say if you want to open any other object from outside CorelDRAW, you can come here. So let's go there and see what happens. Okay. So we are into my server. You can see it's D server. We are into my server where I have saved most of my works here and named them April, May, June, April, May, June is here, July, August. So I keep naming them as time goes by. Okay. So let's go back to file where we have open from cloud. Sorry, I don't have anything on the cloud, so there's nothing I'm going to open there. Let's look at open recent. These are the recent jobs that I've done with CorelDRAW, so you can see them. And this is close. I don't want to close my work, so sorry I can't hit on that one. The close all. The close will close just one. Close all close everything. Okay. So the next thing we look at is save as. Save as. After you finish what you're doing, you can save as so that you keep it somewhere in the computer. When you need it sometime or anytime, you can just pick it up. Okay, so we have save to Coral Cloud again. We have save to templates. Save as template, sorry. And we have acquire image. When you're using a scanner, and you want to acquire the image from either a scanner, a picture, or probably via uh, any other source. So it depends on where you want to go. So let's go to the next one, which is import. If you want to import something from your desktop, yeah. So it also gives you the option move from desktop, any document file, any folder on the computer. You can also import from there. We have export for. You can export CorelDRAW files to Office document, either Word, Excel, um, PowerPoint, just name them. You can export them to, and you can export them to where? As into the internet. You send it to someone, you can just export it and just send it to the person. Also, we have WordPress, which is a website. Probably you've done some works with CorelDraw and you want to send it to WordPress to re-edit it and give it links so that you start working properly. You can also use that. So CorelDraw is a multi-purpose kind of software which you can use it for so many things. Okay, so the next one is send to. Send to. If it might be a Bluetooth device, compressor folder, desktop page shortcut, document, fax recipient, mail recipient, anything, just send it. And you see, CorelDRAW have been able to upgrade itself to a very high um, software which can do a whole lot of things at the same time. So thumbs up to CorelDRAW is the best software, even though yeah, there are other softwares which you can also so I'm very cool with CorelDRAW as well as Photoshop, Illustrator, and other stuff. So today we are doing CorelDRAW. We're going to work on CorelDRAW. So, the next one is publish to PDF. It is faint because there's nothing. I've highlighted nothing. If I should highlight something on the desktop, so let's go to desktop. Let's create a box. Okay. Okay. So this is a box. So let's go back. Realize it is no more faint, but then it shows everything. Okay. So let's go to print merge. Print merge. Create allow print merge. So as time goes on, we will learn that part, but not today. Let's just see what is in the file. Today, I pray we will be able to do file and edit on the menu bar, which I think will do us a very good, give us a very good opportunity to know more about CorelDRAW. So let's go to print, which you all know it's a normal printing. If you want to print from any computer, you can just come here, set print, it will give you the dialog of the printer if one is connected. Then you the interface, sorry, not the dialog, the interface. So on the interface, you can change a whole lot of stuff. Okay, so we are not dealing with printing today, so it's just something for you to see. Okay, so let's go to the next preview, print preview. It's going to show you how it's going to come on the paper. This is how it comes. Hey, hallelujah. And even here, you can still move it and edit it and make sure it doesn't come the way it came by claiming a certain way. So you see, I place it up here, but it's not going to affect the main design because that's not what I did on the main design. So let's go back to the main design. Let's see what happens. Ta-da! Realize it didn't change. This was how it was before. Still the same way. So let's go back to the file. Okay. Document properties. It tells you what uh, document you have. It tells you a whole lot. So let's go there. Okay, now we have just a box. The altar spotlight. The language is United States. When we come down here, give us paper size is A4, paper orientation is portrait, resolution is 300, color. Gives us everything that we need to know about the document we are working on. That is great. So thumbs up to CorelDRAW. And this is where we end with file. Let's go to edit. And let's see if time is on our side, we can do more. Okay, level 2, 1 minute more to go. Let's see. Okay, let me end it here, and God willing, my next video I'll talk about edit. We're going really into CorelDRAW. We're going to dive deep into it. So see you guys and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.